All right, thanks, Andrew. It was busy yesterday. Here are just some of the damage reports we had in central Indiana. We gusted at the airport here in Indianapolis up to 75 miles an hour. Saw those gusts go through the metro area and continue points east. Softball-sized hail, that was a report out of Sullivan Lake in Sullivan County, 4 inches. And then we had tornado damage in Sullivan, Greene, Monroe, Brown, and Bartholomew counties. The Weather Service is out there for today, beginning their survey assessment and kind of looking at the storm reports. Again, these may be duplicates of the same tornado. We probably have multiple tornado touchdowns within the same supercell that was on the ground, but those reports began in Greene County and went through Brown County State Park before lifting in Bartholomew County. So the Weather Service is going to have a lot of work for today with over 60 miles to cover and damage. What we are tracking for this weekend, comfortable humidity. It's going to be much more quiet. Monday night and Tuesday, next round of soaking rainfall is on the way to the area. Could have some stronger storms. Storm tracker right now showing we're on the backside of this front finally. So we're getting this wind more out of the west, and this wind is going to be more comfortable for today. Our dew points are plummeting. Dew points now back into the 40s. A couple hours ago, we saw that in the 60s like Cincinnati, and that's when you can still feel it. Much more comfortable for today and remaining that way through Sunday. Live look at Cicero, temperatures sitting in the upper 50s. We're under partly cloudy skies and going to remain that way for today. Some of our temperatures elsewhere: 60 at the airport here in Indy, 59 in Columbus, 63 in Muncie, and 57 in South Bend. If you are going to qualifications for today, IMS looking pretty good. The drivers are going to have to fight the wind, which is gusting to 30 miles an hour at points for today. High temperature checking in pretty close to 70 degrees. 70 for our high here in Indy. Average high for this time of year is 74 degrees. We'll be under that for today. 71 in Bloomington, 67 in Kokomo, and 65 in South Bend. For tonight, we're back into the lower 50s, a couple 40s in north central Indiana. Temperatures below average with our lows. For tomorrow, we'll get back closer to average with our highs. Note the wind, not nearly as strong for tomorrow, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Lots of sunshine expected for tomorrow. 75 the high here in Indy, 72 in Kokomo, and 76 in Terre Haute. Rainfall over the next 7 days. And look, the bulk of this is going to be falling Monday and Tuesday, Monday night into Tuesday and through Wednesday. Note southwestern Indiana. That is where we could have multiple inches of rain with a fall off expected the further north and east you go. So maybe not nearly as much in areas like Muncie, Richmond, Kokomo. Slight risk of severe weather posted south of I-74. Timing it out on Futurecast, we'll have our front continue to work off to the south and east. Monday during the daytime hours, chance of showers. It's Monday night into Tuesday. This low pressure system is going to be pulling into our area, and rain will be likely. 7-day forecast, temperatures in the lower 70s on Monday before that chance of rain moving in. Showers and storms expected on Tuesday. Could be soaking rainfall, and we'll be watching the flooding concerns considering some of our rain we've gotten over the last couple days. Scattered showers on Wednesday. First look, the carb day forecast on Friday. Looking dry, temperatures in the upper 60s.